Sony Smart TV V6.7115 update also brings support for 100/120 Hz video playback. Highlights: Sony Bravia and non-Bravia Smart TVs are part of the rollout. Currently, the update is rolling out in Latin America. Sony has reportedly confirmed rollout for Europe as well. Sony is updating 30 old generation Bravia and non-Bravia Smart TVs with Android 9 Pie. The TVs are part of the company's D, E, F generation of Android TVs, and the list includes models that were introduced as far back as 2016. Apart from updating the operating system to Android 9 Pie, the update also brings support for 100/120 Hz video playback. The new update for Sony TVs carries firmware number V6.7115 and is rolling out for Latin American users first. The changelog suggests that the update also removed WPS function and the settings menu has been redesigned as well. The full changelog for the firmware version 6.7115 update for all compatible Sony TVs is listed below. Combines the video, album, and music apps into the media player app. Note: after the update, the app menu will display the music and media player apps only, but will contain all the content from the video, album, and music apps. Adds support for HEVC 100/120 Hz and USB video playback. Removes the WPS function. Adds support for the Android 9 Pie setting menu. Redesigns the setting menu. Sony notes that this is a staggered rollout and it may be a while before all TV models receive it. The company recommends keeping the automatic software download option enabled to ensure smooth transition whenever the update hits their TV sets. To enable this option, press the Help button on the remote and then select System Software Update greater than Automatic Software Download. Alternatively, users can opt for the USB flash drive method if they don't wish to wait. The instructions are mentioned on the company website. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.